In the Business Development Tips section, today we will present 7 top tips. How to use social media to improve your business with practical examples. In today's digital age, social media has become an indispensable tool for businesses seeking to connect with their target audience, enhance brand visibility, and drive growth. Leveraging the power of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and others can significantly impact your business success. Here are 7 top tips with practical examples to help you harness the potential of social media for the benefit of your business. 1. Define your social media goals. Before diving into the world of social media, it's crucial to identify your business objectives. Whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, or generating leads, a clear set of goals will guide your social media strategy. For instance, if your goal is to boost engagement, create interactive content like polls, quizzes, and contests on platforms like Instagram and Facebook. 2. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience is fundamental to crafting content that resonates with them. Conduct market research to identify the demographics, interests, and online behaviors of your audience. Tailor your content accordingly. For example, if your audience is active on Twitter, participate in relevant conversations, use trending hashtags, and share industry news to stay on their radar. 3. Consistent branding across platforms. Maintain a consistent brand image across all social media platforms. This includes using the same profile picture, cover photo, and bio information. Consistency builds brand recognition and trust. For instance, Starbucks maintains a cohesive brand identity across platforms, using the same logo, color scheme, and messaging to create a unified online presence. 4. Create engaging content. Develop content that captivates your audience and encourages interaction. Use a mix of content types such as images, videos, infographics, and blog posts. Airbnb excels in this by sharing user-generated content on Instagram, showcasing unique and inspiring travel experiences. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your product or service to increase authenticity and engagement. 5. Utilize paid advertising. While organic reach is essential, paid advertising on social media can significantly boost your business's visibility. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram offer targeted advertising options based on demographics, interests, and behavior. Invest in paid campaigns strategically. For instance, if you're launching a new product, use targeted ads to reach users who have shown interest in similar products. 6. Engage with your audience. Social media is a two-way street. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, messages, and mentions. Initiate conversations, ask questions, and seek feedback. Wendy's, a fast food chain, is known for its witty and engaging responses on Twitter, creating a unique brand voice that resonates with its audience. 7. Analytics and adaptation. Regularly analyze social media analytics to understand what is working and what needs improvement. Monitor key metrics like engagement, reach, and conversion rates. Platforms like Facebook Insights and Twitter Analytics provide valuable data. Adapt your strategy based on these insights. For example, if you find that video content performs exceptionally well on Instagram, prioritize video creation in your content strategy. Conclusion. Effectively using social media for business involves a combination of strategy, creativity, and adaptability. By setting clear goals, understanding your audience, maintaining a consistent brand image, creating engaging content, utilizing paid advertising, fostering engagement, and analyzing analytics, you can leverage social media to improve your business and stay ahead in the competitive digital landscape. Remember, the key is not just to be present on social media but to actively participate and connect with your audience for sustainable growth. Thanks for listening.